So guys, first come to this website gigabyte.com. You can see here this official website. Then here right hand side you can see here search button. You just type your model number gigabyte Z890 AERO D. Okay, and then hit enter. Then guys click to product and this one. Actually there are two type of D and G, so you can install any because installations process same. You can follow this for D and install G, so it's okay. Go to this tab, then this is your motherboard. Click to support. Then select your operating system, which is using Windows 10 and 11. If you have Windows 10, and you can see in installation is Windows 11, so no worry, you can, because same installations process. Okay, so VLAN means Wi-Fi driver. You just click to Intel Wi-Fi and click on the download. Okay, you can see here start downloading. Then it is done, then open. Then click to yes. Now you can see Wi-Fi driver is installing. Then close it.